Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the browse pen feature on the CapCut application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, tap on the edit button and select the project. After that, tap on the edit button, slide to the left side and tap on retouch. Tap on face and then click on the reshape button in the middle of the screen and tap on eyebrow, which is the fifth subcategory. Then click on browse pen, which is the first option within this category. Zoom into your eyebrows to see the results and the changes. Then use the slide at the bottom of the page to make your changes, and here you can see how it looks like. When you are done and satisfied with the result, tap on the check mark icon below. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.